sale this Honda CBR600RR Splash Edition 60 plate in for sale. It's just been through valeting, so this is just a brief video, just to show you around the bike what we found, what it's got, etc. So starting off at the front, got a nice tinted screen, a couple of tiny little marks just where my finger is, just there and there. Coming down the front is some very light, very light stone chip marks, but nothing untoward. And a couple of little scratches, can't really see it, there you go, just there. It's got the I think this is a GoPro mounting bracket. All good underneath. Nice paint on the mudguard. Smallest tiny little stone chip just there. You can see that. Front tyre is very good, nice condition. Wheel is in very good condition. A couple of tiny little marks just on the side there. And another little tiny mark there, but pretty good condition. Brake disc is very good. Now this has been discoloured at some point. We did try and sort of bring it back up to life, but with no hope. But other than that, it is a good disc. Coming down the side, all good paintwork along the top and down the side there. Has got a tiny little line going along just there. You can't really notice it. All good down the side. Along the bottom is good. A couple of tiny little marks along this. Looks like they've caught a low wall or something. Frame is in good condition. Aftermarket rear sets. Slight discoloration on the rear set there, as you can see. Swing arm is good condition. Very tiny little marks. Just there, and on top there. Braided hoses. These are Goodrich. If I can turn it round. Yeah, it's upside down, but they're Goodrich. Got the paddock stand bobbins. Rear wheel is in good condition. Very tiny little mark just there where the paint, tiny bit of paint has come away. Other than that, all looks good. Acropovic exhaust. We don't think it's full system. I think it's just the rear can. Tyre is in good condition, rear tyre. And the paintwork along the top here is good. There is a little mark there, a couple of little marks there. Where my finger is. Come around the back. Now this rear light This will be getting changed in the next day or so, so that will be a proper backlight. Coming around the other side now, there's a tiny little mark just on the side there. Good chain, and the swing arm this side is good. Very tiny little mark, little stone chip just there. Rear hugger's good, no scratches etc. in that. This wire here is just for our purposes, just to keep the bikes charged while they're in our showroom. Right, coming along a little bit more. Again, aftermarket reset has got a slight bit of discoloration and a bit of wear on the clutch lever. Where foot goes. This side has got a couple of little marks down the bottom there. There, and sorry, I'm trying to get this shown as best I can. There's a little mark just there. Little mark there. Exhaust are good, they're clean. Sorry, that is a little tiny bit of dirt. That is my fault on the valeter as well, and yeah, missed that tiny little bit. So that will be cleaned. Coming up the top, nice tank, no marks, etc. in the tank. Good seat. Rear seat has got like a few little marks where people have been throwing their leg over to get on the bike, but other than that it is good, and all the paint round there is good. So mileage, it was shown but 14,400 miles. And that ASV levers in the aftermarket bar ends. Mirrors, slight scratching on the front of right, left hand one. No actual scrapes down the side. And the right hand one, again very light scratching. Right, I think that's about it. If you'd like to come down and view this bike, we're at Ryder Motorcycles in Sittingbourne in Kent, on the Castle Road. If you can't get down at all, then please don't hesitate in calling us. We will answer any questions. We are open 9 AM to 5 PM Tuesday to Saturday. Alright, hope this has helped a little bit making decisions. Alright, thank you very much.